Hi there guys, welcome back to the channel and another Lego video, and I've only just done a video on the unboxing of the Jaws set, and I decided today I'm actually going to build it. I'm going to open it up, have a look at the contents of the inside of the box, and I'm going to start building it. So first of all, I'm going to open up the box. So one thing I've noticed with this is it's a little bit old school, the box, because it seems to have got a separate lid that is taped down around the outer edges, which is very much like the sets of old. So very, very carefully with my Stanley knife, I'm just going to cut the sellotape style little plastic tape tags around the outer edge, like so. Like so, and like so. That one's just been a little bit awkward. There we go. Oh, there's one more. Oh, yeah, I missed these two at the top. Just being very careful. I don't want to damage the box. Even though I never ever sell my Lego, I still like to keep the boxes in as good condition as I can. So yeah, look, the lid slides off like Lego of old. Unlike Lego of old, you have paper bags inside. Now, if you're an old school Lego builder and used to build Lego when you were a kid, you might be like, oh, why have they got paper bags? But it's what Lego's doing these days. They try to get away from plastic. So you see, like, there is this odd piece here that's a plastic bag, but they're trying to get away from plastic waste, you know, for environmental reasons. So these days, all the new sets are in these paper bags. So let's have a look what we've got. So let's open this up. I'm just going to reposition the camera slightly better, and we'll have a look what's actually in the box. But there you can see lots of paper packets. So let's just angle my camera down a little bit. Again, I probably should have just put it on pause and edited it, but I'm doing it in real time so you can actually see what we've got. So, we have got all these bags. Let's see how many bags we've got. So I can see that's bag number 10. Oh, there's a bag number 13. Wow, lots of bags, lots and lots of bags. Oh, we've got, look at these base plates. I've not seen these before. These are a big size base plate. I've never seen them before when I've been building Lego. 12. Right, so I think looking at it, we've got a total of 13 bags then, because the highest number is number 13. So there you go. And then down in the bottom, we've got this, which will be the instruction manual. So let's open this up. So this is also taped. So I'm just gonna, oh, is it taped? Oh no, it's not taped. It's glued. I'm just gonna very carefully run my finger under, break the little tabs. There we go. And in this nice little cardboard packet, we have the manual. Would you look at that? Joe's manual instructions. There we go. So that's what we've got. So let's have a little flick through. Hopefully you can see it okay on camera. So we've got Meet the Fan Designer. Very good. I'll have a little read of that. And then you've got like an introductory bit to the movie itself. Da-dum, da-dum. Very good. And then look at that with the actual scene from the movie that the model is representing. That's really cool. I didn't expect it to have all this in this, to be fair. This is really good. From the Lego design team. Very good. Lots of nice photos in here, to be fair. And then you actually get on with the building of the model. obviously start with bag number 1 and then build through, follow the instructions and build the model. So there you go. So yeah, very, very good. So I can't wait to crack on and start the build. So I think that's what I'm going to be doing now for the next few hours. I'm going to get on and build this. So yeah, thanks a lot for watching, guys. I shall do another video coming up shortly, which is me actually building it. So there we go. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Please like, browse, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Laters.